today, huh? Aren't you? Aren't you? Oh, gosh dang, you scare the crap out of me when you do that. Jump right in my face. Haven't seen you for 2 days. Crazy squirrel. Oh, right in my face, Rocky. What are you doing? Crazy? Huh? You scared? Somebody have to. Hey, don't you bite me. Stop. Are you happy to see me? Hmm? Rocky.